The 20th China-ASEAN Expo concluded on Tuesday in Nanning, South China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region. Nearly 2,000 enterprises had participated in the 4-day expo, aiming to tap into the huge market of more than 2 billion people of China and ASEAN countries.
就每一年我们参加东盟博览会，确实有很多商家，还有其他一些公司的老板过来找我们合作。通过东盟博览会那么多年来，我们确实收获了挺多的。
According to China's Ministry of Commerce, trade between China and ASEAN countries rose from more than $100 billion in 2004 to $975.3 billion in 2022. The two sides have been each other's largest trading partners for 3 years in a row. Last year, China imported 825,000 tons of durian, mainly for Southeast Asian countries such as Thailand and Vietnam. The fruit has emerged as a prominent symbol of the booming China-ASEAN cooperation and China's vast market potential.
300多名从东盟国家的以及中国过来的大咖们汇聚一堂，为水果这个产业创造了一些商机，也为日后打下了一些基础。
The flow of goods in this regional market has continued to benefit from tariff-free policies and expanded market access under the frameworks of the China-ASEAN Free Trade Area and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership.
RCEP 能够为我们这样子的能源公司提供更加广阔的一个空间，更加深入的合作，然后能够拉近我们和很多在中国的新能源企业，能够形成一定的这个战略性的一些合作伙伴关系。